Now, if we want to do part B of this, all we've got to do is differentiate it. This 500 will go away. This will be minus 10. Now, what happens here is we are differentiating just to bring this off to the side. Minus 4,000 times x to the negative 1. Differentiate this part. That negative 1 comes down. So it's minus 4,000 times negative 1 x negative 2. That comes out. That's 4,000 times x negative 2. Put that back up. 4,000 over x squared. And then we're going to bring that back. 4,000. So that's a plus x squared. That's just your differentiation rules, okay? Now, please, please, please make sure you bring that negative 1 down and times it. Otherwise, this makes no sense and it can't compute. So, from there, what we're doing is we're going to be making this a dash equals 0. So, we'll put the 10 over and we'll times by that. So, it'll be 10x squared equals 4,000. Divide both sides by 10. X squared will equal 400. The square root of that. What's the square root of 400? 20. So x equals plus 1 negative 20. Bam. Okay, so now we have our values. We can put that in our a double dash. And if we're doing that, that 10 will go away. That would be negative 4,000 over... Oh, no. Let's do it properly. So we have 4,000 over x squared. Let's bring it aside. 4,000 times x and negative 2. Bring that negative 2 down. 4,000 times negative 2 x negative 3. That's negative 8,000 times x negative 3. That's going to be negative 8,000 over x3. Okay, so that is going to bring this. So negative 8,000 over x to the power of 3. If we can draw 3. Okay, so we've got something like this. Now what we need to do here is put our x values of positive and negative 20 and see what it generates. Make sure it's either concave up or concave down, and then we can say find our maximum and minimum. So let's say that x equals, let's do negative 20 first. Negative 8,000 divided by negative 20 to the power of 3. If we do that again, it's going to be 1. Okay, and that is greater than 0, so is concave up, therefore is a minimum, and that's not what we want. I think it's going to generate the same thing, but it's going to be negative without x equals 20. If I just change that to get rid of that negative, it should be negative 1. There we go. Which is concave down, which is a maximum. Also, there's another way you could figure this out. You can't have a negative measurement. You can't have negative or minus 20 centimeters. Okay? So, the maximum area, if we're putting this back into our original function, we're replacing it with 20 just here. So, it's going to be 500 minus 10 times 20 minus 4,000 divided by 20. 100 centimeters squared.